Are you finding it tough to acquire clients in 2023 as an SMMA owner, copywriter, or freelancer? You're not alone. The industry has become complicated, with changeable trends and fluctuating market demands. Neither a perfect outreach message nor a magic platform exists that will bring in clients effortlessly. Each client is unique, with their specific needs and expectations. With inboxes filled with pitches and social media overcrowded with identical strategies, standing out has become challenging, but don't lose hope. Success in attracting clients lies in a custom approach tailored to each one of them. It's about having the courage to be different rather than following the crowd. There's no universal solution, however. We're here to guide you. Let's explore how you can break from current trends and utilize unconventional actions to attract the clients you desire. Stay tuned. Ever wondered why blending in with the crowd doesn't yield results? It's because everybody is doing the same thing, the same emails, the same pitches, the same platforms. The result, an overwhelming noise, muffling unique voices. We're in an era where attention is the new currency, yet it's harder than ever to attain. So how do we address this? It's simple. Break away from the prevalent trends. Stand out in a meaningful way. Well, what grabs your attention while scrolling through your feeds? It's not the typical promotional email or generic social media post. It's the one that's different, that disrupts the norm. That's what you need to aim for. Don't just follow trends, forge your own path. It's not about reinventing the wheel, it's about leveraging the existing in a unique way. Remember, it's not just about being unusual, it's about offering value, understanding your clients' needs and fulfilling them uniquely. It's about building relationships, not just conducting transactions. So take stock of the trends, understand their shortcomings, and then break free. Go against the grain, make a mark. In a world where everyone zigs, it's your turn to zag. Have you ever pondered the secret to success might be doing the opposite of your current actions? This might seem unconventional, yet it's a transformative principle known as opposite action. It suggests acting contrary to our instincts when they don't support our goals. In freelancing, it means daring to adopt novel methods. Consider this: you've been sending countless emails to prospects without response. Your first instinct might be to send more, right? But here's where opposite action comes in. Instead of more emails, try sending fewer, more personalized ones. Or say you're a freelancer heavily relying on a specific platform. If it's not effective, opposite action urges you to different avenues like networking events or untapped social media platforms. But don't rush into abrupt changes. Opposite action is about smart, strategic transformations. Take the case of a copywriter who, failing through traditional means, launched a creative social media campaign and was swamped with queries as a result. In the ever-evolving freelancing arena, there's no guaranteed path to success. It's about experimenting, observing, learning, and growing. By studying the results of varied strategies, you'll find the best fit for your unique brand. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all in freelancing. If you feel stuck, consider the potential of opposite action. The reverse of your current method might just be your key to success. In the vast sea of freelancing, blending in is a surefire way to drown. It's not about following the crowd or relying on a magic formula. Your key to success: be unique. Not seeing results? Time to reassess and change course. The unexpected often yields the most interesting outcomes. So ask yourself, are you just another fish? Or are you the wave that turns heads? Freelancing favors the bold, the ones who step away from the norm. Standing out is not just an option, it's a must. Here's what you can do. If your strategies aren't working, reinvent them. Let your individuality shine in your work. Remember, it's those who swim against current that cause ripples. Buckle up, dare to different, and make a splash in the freelancing world. By now, you've seen the power of standing out, of embracing your uniqueness and making waves in the freelancing world. But knowledge without action is just potential. It's time to put these insights into practice. If you found this video helpful, show your support by giving it a thumbs up. It helps us create more content like this. And if you're looking to ride the wave to success in your online business, you need to stay ahead of the curve. How easy? Subscribe to our channel. We've got more insights, more strategies, more ways to help you grow your online business. So don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on growing your online business. It's your move. Make it count.